children, today let's start with chapter number 14, that is the struggle towards complete independence. So, let's start with the chapter now. Mahatma Gandhi, India fights for freedom, narrates the courage and sacrifice of our great leader. So, let us know how India finally got freedom from the clutches of the British. Mohanchand Karamchand Gandhi, father of Indian freedom struggle. ठीक है, कौन थे फादर थे इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के? बिकम वन ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टेड लीडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इनको हम महात्मा भी कहते हैं, ग्रेट सोल विद वैल्यूज एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडियन फ्रीडम. Year 1915 was a crucial year, and in this year, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He studied law in London and went to South Africa. और साउथ अफ्रीका गए उसको वहाँ प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. एंड इंडियंस इन साउथ अफ्रीका वर ट्रीटेड अनफेयर. भाई ये उन्होंने बताया कि जो इंडियंस हैं उनको साउथ अफ्रीका में अनफेयरली ट्रीट करा जाता है. एंड ही क्रिएटेड द आइडिया ऑफ सत्याग्रह नॉन वायलेंस में. भाई हम सत्याग्रह करेंगे, नॉन वायलेंस, किसी लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, शांतिपूर्वक अपनी लड़ाई को जीते. सो इन 1950 गांधी जी रिटर्न टू इंडिया. वो इंडिया वापस आते हैं, जॉइन आईएनसी, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. And from his experience in South Africa, he introduced Satyagraha as a way to protest against British injustice. So he traveled to different parts of India and Shokan to see the condition of the poor. जो आपके सोशल लेवल जैसे कास्ट सिस्टम हो गया, अनटचेबिलिटी, जो आपकी सोसाइटी में प्रिवेल करे, उन्हें देख के वो बहुत शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं, राइट. सो ही आस्क्ड द पीपल टू नॉट टू फॉलो कास्ट सिस्टम. ही बिगन टू टेक एक्टिव पार्ट इन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. So what happened after World War I? जो ब्रिटिश है, he passed several acts or laws which harassed and violated basic human rights. One of the such act was Rowlatt Act in 1909. Now Rowlatt Act, this act gave the government the power to arrest and imprison people without trial. The act led to widespread protests, or INC called a Hartal or strike. It urged people to stop all businesses, government, and they suspended work. Public meetings were also protested and organized in many parts, and the protest took a tragic turn on 13 April 19th. A public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, right, in Punjab. It was attended by more than 10,000 men, women and children. There was just one entrance to the park, एक ही entrance होता था, and it was blocked by the General Dyer, the British military commander, and the army started firing unarmed people. So more than 1,000 people were killed and many were wounded, and it was cold-blooded murder of the innocent people. The massacre shocked Indians all over the country, and the movement for freedom from the British became even strong. Then we have non-cooperation movement. Mahatma Gandhi started non-cooperation movement in 1920, according to which people were asked not to cooperate with British government. Right? What happened? They boycotted all foreign goods, and the lawyers boycotted law courts. Children stopped going to the government schools, colleges, and what they did, they joined Indian schools and colleges. Now, the non-cooperation movement turned non-violent at Chaura Chauri, Uttar Pradesh. People burned down police station and 22 policemen were killed in this incident. During the non-cooperation movement, many younger leaders joined the Gandhiji. Among them was Sarojini Naidu, right? Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Gandhiji were arrested on 10 March and in 1922 and sent to prison. उनको जेल में डालते. Some people believe the violence in all answers to violence. They were known as revolutionists. और आपके भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, असफल्ला उल्लू खान, सुखदेव, B.K. Dutt, Rajguru, Ramkrishna Milla, and Jatin Das. They were the revolutionary. Then we have Simon Commission. So in 1928, British government invited Sir John Simon कि आप reform लेके आओ, British resign. So INC boycotted the commission because वहाँ पे कोई Indians थे ही नहीं, ठीक है. So people raised black flag and shouted Simon go back and protest against Simon commission. Lala Lajpat Rai, an INC leader, he was seriously injured in the lathi charge at that time, and they continued the struggle with greater discern. On 8th April 1929, Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt, he exploded 2 bombs on the floor of Central Assembly, and they made no attempts, and Bhagat Singh, Raju and Sukhdev were sentenced to death. ठीक है उनको. Next is in 1929, Congress session was held at Lahore, declared complete independence. Purn Swaraj was demanded कि हमें क्या चाहिए? Complete independence. Civil disobedience movement, Mahatma Gandhi and civil disobedience movement 1930. Aim क्या था? Complete disobedience of the orders of the British government. Mahatma Gandhi conducted the Dandi Salt March in 1930 and broke salt law of the British government. We did not allow Indians to make salt from the sea. अब salt नहीं बनाएंगे sea से, लेकिन गांधी जी ने क्या करा, लॉ तोड़ दिया. He went there and he take out the salt from there. So on 12 March 1930, Mahatma Gandhi with 78 other Satyangrahis started this march from Sabarmati Ashram to the Dali to the source of our agency and broke the salt law by making salt on the source of that. Right? Now, the more British government tried to crush revolt against the different parts, and the more people joined the movement from all over the country, and people joined the movement through various leaders. When the British found it difficult to handle the movement, what they decided? They decided to introduce some reform. The Government of India Act was passed in 1935, जिसने क्या allow करा, more participation of Indian in the administration. But practically, if we talk about, जो powers थी वो किसके हाथ में थी? ब्रिटिश के, right? And they formed government. Quit India movement. World War II broke out in 1939. British forced India into the war without the consent of Indian leader. In protest, Congress government in the province resigned and they demanded complete independence. Now we have Quit India movement. आपकी 8 August 1942, a strong revolution known as Quit India movement. Bharat Chodo Andolon. So what happened? Gandhi ji asked British to quit India and we asked aliens to do what? करो या मत. ठीक है, उन्होंने स्लोगन दिया. On 9 August 1942, महात्मा गांधी को क्या कर लिया? अरेस्ट कर लिया. And the other leaders continued leading. And British was suppressed and they were unsuccessful. फिर आपके इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी आके, जिसको हम आजाद हिंद फौज भी कहते हैं, which was formed by सुभाष चंद्र बोस. ठीक है, with the help of Japan during the World War II. उनका स्लोगन क्या था? दिल्ली चलो. The mission of the army was to wipe out British move from India. The Azad Hind Fauj also had a women unite, although an INA came to an end with all the short span of time, and its role in the independence struggle of India is remarkable. Now, India gained independence. World War II ended in 1945, but this time British realized that they could not longer rule over India. They agreed to free India and the country would be divided into India and Pakistan. And जिससे क्या हुआ? Divide and rule की policy follow हुई, and this led to participation of countries. Indian become free on 15th August 1947 and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru become the first prime minister. और जो आपके राजेंद्र प्रसाद थे वो क्या थे? आपके पहले president. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.